Hi everybody, welcome to yet another 180 Markets weekly wrap. And what a week it has been, historic, because it's not every day you see a major market like Russia down 39% in a single session. But that's what unfortunately has happened because of all the war breaking out and uncertainty. And what it's really caused is an incredible amount of volatility and that word uncertainty again in an investor's mind, as we saw the NASDAQ go from down 3% to nearly up 3% in a single session as well. What are we going to do about it? Not really sure. Uncertainty, as I said again, remains. Be cautious, control what you can control, which is your investment amount, and be very specific with what you're investing in. And here to talk more about those specific investments and what was on in the market this week, I'll turn it over to Sean.
Thanks, Greg. And it definitely has not been a fun week here at 180 Markets. It is risk on. It is high risk and pretty much low return still in the small cap space. We really are seeing down and down, and even on an up day like today, there are bounces, but low volume, and just like that, they can turn around and go back down. These are the times that you don't want to be sitting by your computer when the market's like this, because you just end up putting more into bad positions and digging yourself further in the hole. I don't think I've taken a placement now for at least a week, probably even more. I think the last one we took was our own one, EMP, Emperor Energy, which today released some great seismic data, and there was significant additional gas shown, which gives us a lot more confidence in our thesis. It hit a high today of 4.6 cents, which was great. There are definitely movers around, but it's very select. So we saw another oil and gas play, Pan Continental, which today released some great results. They are doing some drilling in Namibia with Shell and Total. I think their share prices are up about 50% now to 0.6. Some interesting trading in the buy now, sell it later space. They've been destroyed this in the past few weeks. The company, which is a former Afterpay, it's called Block. I think the ASX code is SQ2. Was very interesting trading. Yesterday it hit a low of $115, which is way off its highs. It was trading at 160, I think 2 days before that. Today it hit a high of 165, which is up, I think 40% from yesterday. Now let's not forget, this is a massive company. Afterpay is not just a little small cap that we're used to, but it's the movements are crazy. So I mean, other companies in the sector like Sezzle and Zipco, their share prices are probably trading at about 20% of what they were a year ago. So the whole sector's really got destroyed. There's a lot of bad stories out there, and it's all about protecting your capital. So yeah, just be careful out there, guys. And remember one thing, the market will always be here.
Thanks, investors. And don't forget, this week, 180 Markets, we released LDUX, which is an alternative investment strategy, especially geared for these tricky markets. And be sure to see the link to our Zoom call that we had explaining all. Thank you for watching another presentation by 180 Markets. Don't forget, if you want access to thousands of ASX capital raises, head on over to 180markets.com.au, sign up, and get on board for our very next capital raise. Thanks for watching.